Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Product Review Top 5. When it comes to observing the intricate details of specimens, whether in a laboratory, educational setting, or for various industrial applications, a trinocular stereo microscope is an indispensable tool. These sophisticated instruments combine the power of stereo vision with the convenience of a trinocular head, allowing users to capture images or video while simultaneously examining their subjects in 3 dimensions. To help you navigate the world of trinocular stereo microscopes, we've compiled a list of the top 5 best options available in the market. Whether you're a scientist, researcher, educator, or enthusiast, this guide will assist you in finding the perfect trinocular stereo microscope to meet your specific needs, ensuring that you don't miss a single detail in your microscopic exploration. Number 5. High Cloud 7-45x Trinocular Stereo Microscope. One of the first things that struck me about this microscope was its outstanding clarity. The high-definition optics deliver crisp, sharp images with excellent depth perception. The 7-45x magnification range allows for detailed observation, making it perfect for a wide range of applications. Whether I was examining biological specimens, soldering intricate circuits, or inspecting geological samples, this microscope consistently provided clear and detailed imagery. The trinocular design is a fantastic feature that sets this microscope apart. It allowed me to use the microscope with both eyes, reducing eye strain during long observation periods. Additionally, the third port for a camera or digital device is a game changer. This makes it incredibly easy to capture high-quality images and videos for documentation or sharing with colleagues or students. The smart device compatibility is a bonus for those who want to connect digital devices for live streaming or remote collaboration. Number 4. Kailiwei Trinocular Stereo Microscope. The Kailiwei Trinocular Stereo Microscope boasts a solid and durable metal construction. It feels robust and well-built, which is crucial for any piece of scientific equipment. This construction ensures long-lasting use and reliable performance. The trinocular design of this microscope is a standout feature. It allows for seamless photography and video recording, a feature that is often lacking in many stereo microscopes. The additional eyepiece is perfect for sharing observations with others or documenting your findings. It's a great addition for educational purposes. The microscope offers a magnification ratio of 500x and under. This level of magnification allows for detailed examination of various specimens, making it suitable for a wide range of applications, from biological to materials science. Number 3. RF4. RF7050 TV Trinocular Stereo Microscope. The standout feature of the RF7050 TV is its exceptional clarity and precision. The high-definition optics provide crystal-clear images, making it a joy to observe specimens. Whether you're a professional scientist or an amateur enthusiast, the image quality will leave you in awe. This trinocular stereo microscope is incredibly versatile. With its wide range of magnification options, it's suitable for a variety of applications. The magnification ratio of 500x and under ensures that you can use it for anything from basic inspection to more detailed scientific research. This versatility is a major selling point, as it accommodates a wide range of users. The microscope's metal construction adds to its durability, ensuring that it will last for a long time. While the build quality is excellent overall, I found the microscope to be a bit heavy, which might be a minor inconvenience if you need to move it frequently. However, this weight also adds to its stability when in use. Number 2. Eakins Trinocular Stereo Microscope. The Eakins Trinocular Stereo Microscope boasts a 48MP 55MP lab simul-focal video microscope camera, providing unparalleled clarity and detail in the images it captures. The high-definition imagery is perfect for analyzing intricate specimens, making it ideal for various scientific and research applications. The trinocular drawtube design is a game-changer. It allows me to view specimens through both eyepieces, while simultaneously capturing images or videos with the camera. This trinocular setup has greatly improved my efficiency, as I can easily switch between visual observation and documentation without the need for additional equipment. One of the standout features of this microscope is its portability. It is designed to be handheld and is exceptionally lightweight, making it easy to move and set up wherever needed. The metal construction ensures its durability, with the microscope holding up well under regular use. Number 1. Kaisi RLM3TB1 Trinocular Stereo Microscope. The Kaisi RLM3TB1 boasts a high-definition optical system that delivers crisp and clear images. The stereo view provided by the 2 eyepieces is a game-changer, When it comes to depth perception and fine detail examination, I have used this microscope for various applications, from examining biological samples to inspecting small electronic components, and it has consistently provided outstanding image quality. The trinocular design of this microscope is a fantastic feature. It allows for the attachment of a camera or other imaging equipment, making it suitable for both professional applications and educational purposes. I found this feature particularly useful for documentation and sharing my observations with colleagues and students. The microscope's metal construction gives it a sturdy and durable feel. It sits stably on my workbench and does not wobble during operation. The focus knobs and stage adjustments are smooth and precise, ensuring accurate and reliable results. Thanks for watching this video.